Good morning, kindergartners. It is Monday, April 20th, and here we are again, and it's time for reading. We've been learning about nonfiction books. Last week, we talked about endings of nonfiction books, and we talked about how you, as the reader, can be a teacher and teach a lesson to your partner about whatever your book is about. And this week, we're going to talk about something a little different. I want to talk to you about important words in nonfiction books. When you've been reading some nonfiction books, I know when I've been reading with some of my kindergartners, they have noticed on some of the very last pages, there is maybe a page that looks like this. And it has some important words and a picture that goes with each word. Sometimes there's something called a glossary, like this, with important words and their definition or what they mean. Sometimes when you read nonfiction books, there might be some words as you read that look darker, and that means that the author made them bold, it's called, and it kind of gives us a little hint that this might be an important word. And when you're reading these books, there's tons of important words that you need to know what they mean in order to really comprehend the story and be able to teach it to somebody. So here's another example of a glossary. Let's see if this book has it. Nope, some books don't have it at all. So some books, it's your job to kind of figure out what the important words are. And then I've got one about dragonflies. And this one, it doesn't have the bold words, but it does have an index in the back and a glossary. So it kind of goes over those important words of the story. Today, all I want you to do is just know that there are important words when you read nonfiction books. And I want you to start looking for those important words when you're reading today. Okay? Tomorrow, you're actually going to rewatch this video, and you are going to start making a list of important words. So on Monday, all you're going to do is know that there's important words and start to look for them. And on Tuesday, you can rewatch this so you can remember what an important word is. And sometimes we call those important words vocabulary words. And so on Monday, you're going to look for them and notice them. And on Tuesday, I want you to start writing them down. So if you see them, I want you to point them out and maybe make a little list of them. Okay? So that is your work for Monday and Tuesday. You'll rewatch this and you'll make a little list of the vocabulary words you find. So, kindergartners, have a great time with your nonfiction books today. I hope you find some new vocabulary words, and I hope you learn what those words mean. All right, guys, have fun reading. Bye.